Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of it's not available on your country on the application of Authenticator. We click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Authenticator. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end you can go to Play Store. You can search about Authenticator. You can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.